Hey guys, look at what we have here. I have Hirono The Pianist. You know, this is a really rare item and it's really hard to find in Pop Mart Hong Kong. I already tried to find it everywhere, but I can't find it. So I buy it from China, Shanghai. And you know, the price is really crazy. It's around 120 bucks. Jeez, it's really high and really expensive. But I think this is the masterpiece of Hirono, and I think it's gonna worth it. So let's check it. Look at this guy. It's really cute. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my god. Gosh, this is really cute, awesome. Look at him. This is a chair. Look at this one. And look at the piano. Look at the detail. Oh, it can open. Look at this. Oh, it's really cute. Oh, this is really masterpiece. Look at this Hirono. This is really cool. I think this is gonna be the best Hirono. Let me set it. Look at this. Oh, look at this. This is really cute. Look at this. This is really cute. Oh, Pop Mart, you really do your things. Oh my god. Don't you believe this Hirono is 120 bucks? And I think this is worth it to buy because this is the best Hirono that I ever have. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.